Dr. Mukul sangma nungelam jong kaliang persya ula keno bakajung Bun Kiba Khlad bat kibapang na kajung pang COVID-19 kadai namar kajung macam sting jong Sorkar Jylla. Ya kani Dr. Mukul sangma ula penpau hadin kajung le jurib ya ka civil hospital ka dana po Mairang bat kumjuru ya ka civil hospital po Nongstoin. Hakabau le jurib mentakasni khanyo tarik ujulio araja arhuai enggak ka jiran lang ki bipat ki amini kasan kongres ki MDC kasan kongres bat ki de ki officer jong katana ka ka khia. Dr. Mukul dari jurib nengkong ia ka civil hospital lapo Mairang manpek ia ka jung pengkrea jong kan dikala jung sumbar ha ka bide baka jine persya ia ka jung pang covid kat kendai nang ni Dr. Mukul sangma ulah yar sepo Nongstoin bende jurib ru ia ka civil hospital Nongstoin ha ka boleh kendu ia medical superintendent ki doktor ki nurse bakui de ki officer jong kata ka koi ka khia a ka te ka hospital nagani ka hospital Dr. Mukul sangma yo jung tip bakani ka hospital walada kaladan ki tiar kum ki oxygen cylinder bakui de ki jung kam Nai kapala satya ban shna ya ka kamera ICU na ka mata masuma di kibri ke Shitom jor na ka jeng pang covid kan kendai ha ka juko poru Dr. Mukul sama ulali jurib ya ka corona care center ya ka bala penkrea di bos sencha district ha ka jaka ka bala temu ban pli ya ka nursing school ha pon Nongstoin ha bekram kilap thai khobor hadin kan ka jeng jurib Dr. Mukul sama ha ba kershan ya kan ka jeng kendo jeng u ya ka Sorkar MDE ulang bahadian ka jeng dunano ka jeng pang covid kan kendai ha ka sam ajar arpau abaki babun ki school ki college bat ki company ki bafer ke dan Sorkar Jylla ki lapli ki babun ki samla jo ka Jylla ki le no chala ki jang ki kam ki jam nei khniat por hading ka jing poi jo ki sekin di ki jaka trekam jo ki bat kumdu ki jaka puli Sorkar Jylla kelawan la chop yang kan di ki jing pang Khlam bat ki babun ne pereng ki samla puli ki lawan phaino kumjuru ki batri Sorkar Jylla bat deh ba kum kan ka por ba kan ki jing pang ru kala ki kan san po ka Jylla gawi pat ka jing keno jo Dr. Mukul sangma kalang bakani ka Sorkar kala yo ya kitiar kum ki oxygen cylinder bakui de ki jingdan kam nadu kasna bak ajar arfau lengba ka PM cares fund nei hadu menta ki babun kini kitiar om sem lapan kam satya ban la sui kum tu Khlam dala ban ajing rap ya kinong pang susuru loong bakani ka Sorkar kala simsting bah ha bele persya ya kani ka jingpang namar ba kamdan ka jing trekam ka babyang kamdan ka jing penbek ka babyang kamdan du ka jatrelang apring ki bor ka dan ha ka Sorkar Ba din namar kadao pagani ka jingpang kalan shop hadu kan dengan ni haka babun ki mesin beri kala khlanda bun ru kala kata wadu ciri ki jakan no kandong ru
The ventilators which were provided last year not yet used.
Okay.
No, in Mairang there is no provision for ICU. They have not decided to prepare any facility in as far as dealing with the patients which goes beyond the category of B. They are dealing only with A and B. That means any patient who goes beyond that stage, meaning if the progression of the disease require further intervention, that facility is not there in respect of Mairang. Okay, but Nongstoin is a district capital. They have not prepared to have any ICU. Okay, that is what is seen today, and that is what has been told to us. But in as far as Nongstoin is concerned, they can still ramp up. The ventilators which have been provided to them, they say that they will be using it. They are training the people. They have trained some people. And if measures of such kind would have been taken well ahead, then you know that all the ventilators would have been put to use. And in addition to that, if Mairang doesn't have the facility to treat the patient and save the life of the patients if they go to a critical condition, then what is the option? They have to refer the patient. When we refer the patient, then you will require ambulance. Ambulance with those categories, ALS, nothing else. They have not bought. They have not bought any ambulance which is capable of transporting a critical patient who is a victim of this COVID-19.
Sakawai pat kajing kendo jong Dr. Mukul kalong ba kande ka Sorkar kam semathit wat pang kawai ka ambulans ru ka badan yi kitar lani yi kita kitar oksigen ya ka menyerap yi ki pa ba ki mangat ha kani ka jingpang ulong dangshan ka Sorkar kalau am ba ka sathit khatui teli ki ambulans lamba ka fund jak NEC ne ki ni ki khatui teli ru kilong tangwai ka ambulans nam takoi ka district pan ulong ba kani kalong ka jing Shitom ka khrau ya ki pa ba man penerkam tangkawi ka ambulance.
And I have tried to know from them, from the authorities, when it is likely to be available. They cannot tell. They cannot tell. But hopefully by the end of the month, ALS ambulance will be made available for all the districts. They have ordered 11. 11 means 11 districts. Only 111. Okay. Even one is not enough. Whom will you choose as a doctor? If you have to transfer 2 patients, you have to decide. It becomes very difficult. That's why, under the present circumstances, even now we are not prepared. Forget about earlier days. Even now we are not prepared.